Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Here are 5 ways you can make more money this weekend. First, offer your services. If you're looking to make some extra money this weekend, one great option is to offer your services. Do you have a skill or talent that others might be interested in? This could be anything from yard work or house cleaning to tutoring or pet sitting. Think about what you're good at and how you can use that to help others. Once you've identified your skill set, start advertising your services. You can use social media, community boards, or even word of mouth to find potential customers. Be clear about what services you're offering and how much you're charging. And always be professional and reliable. This will help you build a good reputation and get more customers in the future. Second, sell unwanted items. For making some quick cash, consider selling some of your unwanted items. Take a look around your home and see if there are any items that you no longer need or use. This could be anything from clothes to electronics to furniture. Once you've identified what you want to sell, you can list it on online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Make sure to take clear photos and write detailed descriptions of each item. And be honest about the condition of the item. This will help you avoid any issues with buyers later on. Third, participate in paid online surveys. Did you know that you can earn money by participating in online surveys? Many companies are looking for consumer feedback and are willing to pay for it. All you need is an internet connection and some free time. There are many paid online survey sites to choose from, such as SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research. These sites will ask you to fill out surveys on various topics, such as your shopping habits, opinions on products, or political views. For each survey you complete, you'll earn a certain amount of money or points that you can redeem for cash or gift cards. Fourth, if you have a spare room or even just a couch, consider renting it out on Airbnb. This can be a great way to make some extra money while meeting new people.
To get started, sign up for an account on Airbnb and create a listing for your space. Be sure to include clear photos and a detailed description of the space. You can also set your own price and availability. And don't forget to be a good host, provide clean linens, towels, and other amenities to make your guests feel comfortable. Fifth, do odd jobs. This could be anything from helping someone move to mowing a neighbor's lawn. To find potential jobs, you can advertise your services on community boards or social media. Be clear about what you're offering and how much you're charging. And always be reliable and professional. This will help you build a good reputation and get more jobs in the future. Thanks for watching.